Hey there mga may loves, Libra! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So, hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. At sa returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, for today's content, we're gonna take a look at your February 2024. But please do know that this is timeless, okay? So, if you happen to see this video, no, 1 decade ago na, or kahit gaano katagal, no? Pero you feel drawn to this video or you feel this type of energy that you want to hear the messages, then that's the right time pa lang, okay? That you need to know kung ano mga nakapaloob na mga mensahe dito. So yun nga, no, just take out this resonates and we're going to see ano ba yung mga posible or maaari maging kaganapan here for you guys. We do not have any gender, okay? Babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here. And of course, mga babes, no, age is not important, remember that. At kung may mabanggit na sign, no, maaaring hindi yun yung kadil mo, you could be dealing with any other zodiac sign, okay? Ibig sabihin, meron lang energy na tinatagla yung zodiac sign na yun, no, na posibleng meron yung energy na kadil mo. So, let's go ahead and shuffle all the energies first, okay? The Spirits and Angel, guys. Angel Michael, thank you so much. This is for Libra. Tell me something about Libra. This love month or February 2024, you might be seeing your past lover in your dreams. Not frequently, pero maaaring makita mo siya, no? This is for those na parang wala na kayong pakialam sa inyong past lover, pero out of the blue, bigla mo siya na panaginipan. Or if this is not panaginip, bigla na lang siyang papasok sa isipan mo. Why? Okay? It is because that person is thinking of you this love month. Yan, no? Para yun dun sa nakuha ko energy ninyo, wala kayong pakailam sa ex niyo. Pero bigla niyo makikita yung pagmumukha niya. Yan. Sa panaginip niyo or bigla niyo siyang maaalala. Yes. Oh, okay. So, let's shuffle this other deck here. Para tuloy-tuloy yung chikahan. This is for Libra. Tell me more for my Libra for the month of February 2024. Please. This is for Libra, please. February 2024 for Libra. What's happening for Libra here? What does Libra needs to know? Messages for Libra. Libra. February 2024. Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and check these messages for Libra. So the first energy we've got here for you guys is the Ten of Wands. The World card. The Strength. Mukhang meron kayo rito sinisimula na parang bagong buhay or may magsisimula rito panibagong chapter. Yung iba nakikita ko maglilipat bahay or magmo-move in into another place or baka yung iba na may pinapagawang bahay tapos lilipat kayo ron or ikaw to na pwedeng mag-migrate ka sa other country, no? Or pwedeng yung iba naman is may uuwi dito, okay? From far away place. You also have the Star, Two of Pentacles energy, Six of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Five of Cups, Queen of Wands, Hermit. Okay. Sana mag-cash. You also have here this Empress. Wow, Empress energy. Definitely new world here for you guys, no? Meron talaga ditong bagong world, no, for you wherein there's abundance, there's prosperity, there's something here, positive progress, no? This is something here na I think you do not see coming, but you're feeling na papunta ka rito sa ganitong klase or tatapa ka sa ganitong klase ng Empress energy, no, wherein you will feel more abundant, no, at makikita mo rito na yung mga bagay, no, whether that's little to big things you will attract, okay, beautiful things na I do pick up, no, the word kapaki-pakinabang here or magagamit mo in this new world, no, so wow. Also have here the tower. Yeah, see, you do not see this coming. It will come in unexpectedly. This is a beautiful tower here, so you do not need to worry. Empress together with this tower, malaki yung kinalaman dito ni universe, no? Talagang magbabago yung buhay mo here, okay? These changes will definitely happen anytime soon. Kahit nga wala pa yung February, I do pick up, no, for others of you, it will begin na agad, okay? Yeah, so we also have here this Ten of Wands. You've got the Ten of Wands twice. So definitely, you're really moving into a new life or literal nalilipat dito. Okay, so nakikita ko rito sa balutan kayo, ang dami yung dalang gamit, no? You're moving into a different place. Like, hindi ka pa doon talaga, as in never ka pa doon tumira or you've never been to that place or situation, okay, if that's not a place. You also have here the Six of Swords energy. You could be seeing a lot of number 666, angel number 666, okay, or a lot of 6, double 6, or number 6, okay. I do pick up, okay, that whatever it is, it has something to do with these spiritual messages universe wants to send to you. Okay, wow, you've got the Ten of Pentacles energy. Told you guys that this is something here, like a beautiful tower. Whatever is coming to your life right here is something huge, something big, Libra. If you are not in a relationship, I'm seeing that you could possibly meet right here someone that you will share a home with, someone that you will build a family with. And this person wants to have a big family with you. Gusto niya magkaroon kayo ng maraming anak, like a basketball team. And this person is maaruga. Maalaga siya. And this person will definitely see the light on you. May kita niya rito, no, ang maraming senyales na ikaw talaga yung gusto niya ritong makasama. This person could be a pet lover but doesn't have to be na may pet siya. Pwede rin naman na siya ay animal lover or may respeto, no, sa mga animals as well, no, not just sa mga human beings. This person will definitely maa-assure ka niya na hindi siya rito mawawala sa life mo. At kung sino man siya, maganda kasi maganda yung trabaho niya, maganda rito yung pagtingin niya rito sa life mo. Parang para sa kanya hindi lang to about love, love, love or mabuhay lang kayo kasi mahal-mahal ganyan or kasi mahal-mahal. Kasi mahal ka niya or what na hindi. This person will take responsibility to you. This person here will make sure that you will have the life that you deserve. So, ibibigay niya rito lahat ng gusto mo. Kaya niyang bilhin yan, no? I'm not saying that you are greedy or materialistic. I'm saying that this person can buy anything that you want. And especially, no, hindi kanya tatanungin, ibabay niya na yung kailangan mo. Yan, no? Di ka niya tatanungin, parang kunwari ganito, example, this person here sees that every day you're commuting, going to work, okay, from home, going to work. This person will eventually, okay, buy you like a car, yeah, something big, because this person has this money and his or her pinagkakakitaan, no, like capable siya, okay, to give something big and even luxurious to you. Could be expensive things. Okay? Whatever it is that he or she thinks na kailangan mo yon, bibili niya na yun agad without asking you. Okay? Not just material things. Okay? Alam niya, kilala ka niya rito, no? So, alam niya kung kailan mo kailangan ng hug, or kailan mo kailangan ng kiss, or kailan mo kailangan ng lambing, no? Yan, no? At nakikita ko na mga kapitbahay mo ay mapapasana all na lang sa'yo. Kapitbahay, no, mga coworker, or what's this one? Mga people around you, especially the mga chismosas and chismosos out there, no, sa tindahan. Yan. Wow. So you're slowly moving to that. Okay? You do not see that happening. But if that person is already in your life, I'm seeing this person here wants something more out of this connection. So kung kayo ay boyfriend or girlfriend na, no, this person will make sure, okay, na talagang dadalhin niya tong connection na to, no, to the next level or ladder of success. And it has something to do with marriage. It has something to do with lifetime commitment here with you because this person finds that you are his or her light that guide his or her way. I don't know. But I'm picking up that this person, pwede may binago ka sa buhay niya. Example, kunyari, dating meron siyang addictions or may behavior siya na parang hirap siyang tanggalin. But because you came, or after you came into his or her life, nabago niya yun. Okay? Like you did help this person to change his or her ways and to make him or her a better version of his or herself. Wow. Yeah. Six of Cups energy right here. See? You could be seeing a lot of 666, of course. Okay, but doesn't have to be. But I'm picking up that whoever is this new person or you're connecting here right now, or makikilala mo pa lang, this person here feels like na para kayong nagkakilala na before. Feels like ganon. Parang feels like deja vu or feels like parang, is it fate? Is it serendipity? Is it just a coincidence that I've met Libra here pero hindi? Okay? This person here clearly understands whether he or she had met you kasi may ganun siyang feeling. It doesn't matter as long as you are with him or her. Yan, no? Pag dumating ka, wala nang importante pa. Hindi na kailangan halongkatin paano ka dumating sa buhay niya, hindi na kailangan malaman kung, um, meron ba kayong nakaraan or whatever, no? The fact that this person here is already in your life and you came, that's the important thing of all. That's what matters most. Hmm. Oh, tapos na yung reading. See? The lovers, and you've got the star twice. So yeah, this is not just a coincidence, honey. This is fated meeting right here. And I do pick up that with, maaring may difference sa inyo. Pwedeng sa color, pwedeng sa culture, religion, yan, no? Yung iba pwedeng dealing with foreigner, yung iba but doesn't have to be. Pwede magkaiba lang kayo ng paniniwala. Yung iba baka may relihiyon na parang, for example, Muslim siya, tapos ikaw, Catholic, no? Ganun. So, yung iba, pwedeng Filipino naman yung kadil mo or magiging kakilala mo dito. Pero, nakita ko rito na itong mga differences na to na ay hindi magiging hadlang sa connection na ito. With the star right here, I do pick up that this is a fated connection, a fated meeting right here. And this is something here that is not serendipity, but meant to be. And we have here the Queen of Wands, and you've got the Queen of Wands twice. Mukhang meron dito mag-elevate no, pagdating dito sa trabaho. No? So yung iba, pwedeng mahilig kayo sa mga herbals or uminom ng mga what's this? Yung mga parang organic na mga drinks, foods, no? Or baka mahilig kayo maglaga ng mga gulaman, no? Tapos iinumin nyo yun, no? Yung iba hindi po gulaman yung sinabi ko, no? Halaman po yun, no? Pinapalitan ko kasi yung unahan ng Jew. Kaya kung mapansin nyo yung sapatos ko, Jupatos, di ba? So, kayo maguluhan. Yung Julaman, halaman yun. Yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, Libra, I do pick up, no? Na meron ditong progress pagdating sa kaperahan mo. At yung iba nakikita ko na kunwari nagtatrabaho ka, pwedeng mag-business ka pa while working. Or yung iba, pwedeng magtrabaho ka pa ng isa pang job. Not because kailangan mo ng money, but because ito ka, no, feel energetic and you feel something here na parang um, well-energized ka, no? At gusto mo rito na mas makapag-ipon pa more. Pero hindi ko nakikita na ikaw ay stress. Kasi kung ano tong gagawin mong business or another job, no, second job, third job, whatever, or you're handling here multiple tasks, you can really definitely handle them all. Yung iba mag-isip kayo rito ng sideline nyo while working. Yung iba while working and you have here another work na gustong gawin or while working, you're thinking of having a business as well. I'm seeing you enjoying. Okay? And from that, I'm seeing money coming towards you. And also growth. Yan, no? May isip ka dito with the Ace of Swords energy. meron ditong may isip ka na parang, "Ay maganda yung ano maganda yung i-business. Uy parang bet ko yun, parang feeling ko papatok yun." 'No? So yung iba maaaring mahilig kayo magtanim, plantito't plantita kayo, I'm also picking up that 'no. Yung iba, hindi lang isa yung options niyo when it comes to love. I'm seeing two people for some of you. So you have choices here, but I'm not worried because you are the Queen of Wands and you're appearing here twice. So which means you know who you want, kung sino yung dapat patuloy sa buhay at puso mo, and you know what you want. Okay? And that's very clear. And I'm picking up that with the Knight of Pentacles energy, Five of Cups, someone here wants to repair something here, but it's been a long time already. Okay? So maybe this is the energy here of someone, no, na ex mo, na iniisip ka or iisipin ka this love month. Okay? But it could be applicable to anyone in your life, no? But I do pick up na yung iba, hindi nyo naman talaga pinutol totally yung connection mo with this person. It's just that hindi mo lang siya kinakausap for others of you. Okay? Ulitin ko, hindi lang yun about your ex. Pwede rin yun na kahit sino na parang nagkaroon kayo no, ng lamat in this connection. Look at that baso. That baso is sira na, no? At kapag pinagdikit-dikit niya pa yan, no, makikita pa rin dito yung parang scar, diba? So, which means, this person here, okay, kahit hindi niya alam, no? Alam mo tong image na to gives me the moon vibe energy. So, kahit hindi niya alam na meron pang chance, no, na magkaayos kayong dalawa, na gagawin niya pa rin. This person here will do something, no, to talk things out here with you. And that is to repair whatever is this. And we have here the Ten of Wands and the Star. I'm seeing, no, na sa lilipatan mong lugar or aalisan mong sitwasyon, doesn't have to be that you're literally moving in, but I do sense na kung saan ka man papunta, it's a new world here. Nahihirapan ka magsimula at first, pero nakikita ko makakapag-adjust ka and you will be really, really happy here. I'm seeing you juggling here, not with people, but with finances. See? So I'm telling you, money is coming towards you and it will bring a lot of success, Six of Wands energy, but it will not be easy as peasy because Strength card is present right here. But, okay, spirits are saying, Strength card, Six of Wands, Empress, and there's the Six of Swords. Spirits are saying, they have advice for you, Libra, na keep pushing through. Okay, marami kang challenge na pagdadaanan dyan, pero ang bongga. Kasi ang kahihinatnan mo ay walang iba, kundi ang Empress energy. Kung saan, okay, money will not be a problem anymore because you will have here, may mapagkukuhaan ka, at nakikita ko rito na hindi lang yan. A lot of healing, a lot of growth, okay, things are coming towards you, okay. Might not be sabay-sabay, pero you will have anything that you want. Okay? Move to the calmer water kasi yun naman talaga yung nakikita ko na beautiful tower moment with you. Meron lang kinakailangan rin dito, might be challenging here to some of you. Okay, yung iba parang nasa-challenge pa kayo rito, no? Na kailangan, I mean, may kailangan pa kayong challenge na maalisan. Okay, and that is to detach. Okay, that is to detach and release what no longer serves you. At ikaw ang nakakaalam niyan. I do pick up that it has something to do with your well-being. It's not healthy, but there's this attachment to that. Spirits are saying, release it so that they can guide you to this new world here. Yeah, maybe that's why Strength card is right here because there's something here that brings a lot of memories and you just can't let go of that. Okay? But spirits are saying, hindi mo na yun kailangan. You need to let go of that because there's something here that's gonna unfold in your life. Double or thrice of what you want for yourself. So yeah, claim this beautiful message from here, Libra. Thank you so much, honey. Sarang kaya love and light. Annyeong.